Hey, what's up? In this video, you'll discover a simple WordPress plugin that turns your static HTML pages into WordPress pages that accept widgets. This is a great way to create a page that has all the SEO benefits of WordPress and that looks exactly like you want it to, without having to pay an expensive WordPress designer. So let me show you how it works. Right now I am in my WordPress dashboard and I go to HTML to WP, and this is what the admin area of the plugin looks. Let's start with this area over here. This area is dynamic. This means that you will see different things depending on what theme you are using. The plugin pulls data from your widgets page over here. Let me show you. Widgets. This is the widgets page. Here I'm using the theme 2010, which has the following widget ready areas: primary widget area, secondary widget area, first footer widget area, second footer widget area, third footer widget area, fourth footer widget area. I have also created a sales letter template that has some tokens or shortcodes. The plugin will replace this with widget ready areas. I have added some widgets in the first footer widget area, a widget called Pages, which basically shows the pages of your blog, and I have also added another widget in the second footer widget area, the widget called Text, and I have added some resources in here, basically just a couple of links for demonstration purposes. I have also created a sales letter template that has some tokens or shortcodes. You can see them down here, footer 1 and footer 2, to keep things simple. The plugin will replace these tokens with widget ready areas. That way you will be able to add WordPress widgets on your page, like categories, archives, popular posts, or whatever other widget exists. So let's get back to the plugin and let's try and upload a new page. I click Browse, I select the HTML page, Open. Upload external CSS files. This is optional. I click here, I click Style, Open. Now let's upload our images. I click Select Images, I click the first image, I hold down my Shift key and I select the last image, and now all the images have been selected. I click Open, and now all the images are being uploaded. Here I can type the title of the page. Let's say some title, page meta keywords, keyword 1, keyword 2, meta description, some description. Now let's see what we are going to do about this area here. As I showed you earlier, the HTML template has these two shortcodes in it, footer 1 and footer 2. What we are going to do now is couple these shortcodes with their respective shortcodes in WordPress. So we're going to copy this, footer 1, copy, and since we are talking about the footer, we're going to paste it in the first footer widget area. Footer 2, second footer widget area. Now we are going to name our new template. For example, blue template. And we click Convert HTML to WordPress and Save Page Template. Template created successfully. Here you can see some directions, but I'm not going to read them for you. Instead, I'm just going to show you. Basically, what you want to do is go to Pages, Add New. You need to enter your title again. For example, some title, You see the permalink has already been created here. You do not need to type anything in the content area. You need to have typed your content in the template itself. Then you go under Page Attributes, Template, Blue Template. This is the one we just created. And we click Publish. Page published. View page. And as you can see, it's identical to the page we had created. Only this time, this is WordPress. Pages. Sample page. Some title, you know, the two pages that we have. And here we have resources, link 1, link 2. By the way, if you need any help at any point, you can just click the help links here, and detailed instructions with examples are going to appear. You can go through them and get familiar with the plugin. Thanks for watching, and talk soon.